Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to Technic Force. If you've ever tried building a website for your business, whether you're offering services, selling digital products, or starting something new, you know how overwhelming it can be. Designing the layout, setting up contact forms, connecting payment links, and making sure it looks good in mobile, it's a whole project on its own. But here's the good news. I recently discovered an AI website builder that literally did 95% of the work for me. No coding, no confusing templates, no drag and drop chaos, just a few simple prompts, and within minutes, the website was ready. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how I built this website completely with AI. And the best part, the website looks professional, it's fully responsive, and it's already live right now, meaning anyone can visit, book a consultation, and pay directly through the site. So if you've been putting off creating your website because it feels too complicated or time consuming, you'll want to stick around for this one. Because by the end of this video, you'll see how to go from no website at all to a polished business site in less than an hour. And you won't have to write a single line of code. Let's dive in. So first, I went to ready.ai. I will leave the link in the description below. So click on it. Once you sign up, you just create a new project. Then it asks for a short description of what kind of website you want to build. For example, here's exactly what I type. So I'm launching a service that helps creators and businesses grow faster on YouTube through personalized one-to-one strategy sessions. The offer should include two plans, a 1 hour YouTube strategy call for quick insights and actionable growth tips, a 4 week coaching package, 1 hour per week for deeper step-by-step guidance and implementation support. That's it. That's all the input the AI needs to get started. So once I hit generate, Ready AI immediately started building the entire website structure, from the homepage to the service sections and contact forms. So it created a clean, modern layout with branded colors, etc. So my consultation offers were listed clearly below with pricing details and a booking form. And everything looked perfect on both desktop and mobile right out of the box. So no extra design tools, no plugins, just pure AI magic. Now, here's where it gets really cool. When the first version of the website is ready, you don't have to rebuild anything if you want to make changes. So instead, there's a selector button that lets you click on any part of the site, the text, an image, a button, whatever you want, and tell the AI what to change. So, for example, I want to customize my hero section with something more personal. So I click on the hero image and told the AI to add my YouTube tips video in the center. And a few seconds later, it was done, perfectly aligned and formatted. You can also replace images, generate new ones with AI, or even turn them into short looping videos. So the tool automatically saves every version. You can go back anytime and compare your edits. It's like having version control built right in. Next, I updated my logo. So the default text logo was fine, but I wanted to say Technic Force. So I selected the logo area, click on edit text, type out Technic Force, and within seconds, the logo appeared. What really impressed me is how fast the change slowed. Most website builders lag or need a full refresh, but with Ready AI, it's almost instant. And because the layout automatically adapts to the content, you don't have to worry about resizing or alignment issues. Everything just fits perfectly. Then I decided to test out the buttons, and this was a pleasant surprise. When I click on one of the call to action buttons, the AI automatically generated a checkout page connected to that service. So it included everything like a scheduling calendar, a client information form, a payment section, and even an FAQ area. And because one of my packages includes 4 weekly sessions, the AI actually prompted users to book all 4 calls in the calendar. I didn't have to explain that, it just understood the context and built the flow correctly. So once happy with everything, click publish, connect it with your domain, and within minutes, the website is live. So you don't have to worry about hosting, DNS records, or security, it's all handled automatically. And honestly, the fact that I went from zero to a fully functional business website in less than an hour still blows my mind. So if you've been putting off building your website because you thought it was too complicated, Ready AI will change your mind. It saves so much time, looks professional, and just works. So you can try it out using the link below in the description. Just click on it. And what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Cloud Funnels 2. Build high profit, AI powered sales funnels, landing pages, opt in pages, business sites, and more in just a few clicks. Create great landing pages with drag and drop WYSIWYG Builder. Inbuilt autoresponder. Grab leads, sales, and send your emails automatically. SEO optimized. Unlock your best ranking potential with complete SEO optimization features. Dozens of free plugins. Save $100 on plugins that get you more leads, sales, and profits. Supports global payment gateways. GDPR and data compliance. Cloud Funnels is available in 17 languages. Secure and 100% control over data. Create multiple funnels. Why make one funnel when you can make many? Create funnels on subdomains and subfolders too. Business analytics at your fingertips. Detailed sales and funnel analytics help you get better marketing results. Dozens of third-party integrations. CloudFunnels protects your profits by keeping your running costs low. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get CloudFunnels 2 now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in.